Good morning and welcome student of class 7 maths class, obviously virtual class of class 7. Today is 6th July. We have already learned about area of rectangle and area of square and as well as perimeter also in the previous class. So I repeat once again the formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth, obviously in square unit, and area of a square is side square. And perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay, it is known to all of you now. Next, after that, few problem already done in the previous class and this formula also. Today we start from problem number 5, exercise 17. Here is the problem, problem number 5, page number 206. Rajesh has a rectangular plot of land of length 36 meter and breadth is 24 meter. There is a path 2 meter wide running all around the plot outside. Let us draw the rough sketch of the problem and calculate the following. Number 1, length and breadth of the plot of the land including the path, the area of the plot and the land without the path, area of the plot of land without the path and area of the path. 3 questions. So it is given that length of the plot is 36. Suppose this is the figure A, B, C and D inside. First one is a rectangular plot. Length is 36 meter. So this length is 36 meter say, and breadth of the plot is given 24 meter. So this is 24 meter. And a path all around this of white. Width of the path is 2 meter. So this length is 2 meter, this length is 2 meter. Similarly, this length is also 2 meter and this is also 2 meter. Clear? This is the rough sketch. Use scale and pencil to better. Clear? Now, so length of the plot, length and breadth of the plot. So previously this is 36. Now this length is also 2, this length is also 2. So total length, that means this length is equal to how much? 36 plus 2 plus 2. That means this length must be 40 meter. In both sides 2 plus 2, so we get 36 plus 4. And breadth, same way, this is 2 meter and this length is also 2 meter. Up to this portion, if we, this portion, this is 24 plus 2 plus 2. So total length will be how much? 24 plus 4, that is 28 meter. Yeah, and this is 40 meter. So write down the answer. Length and breadth of the plot, length and breadth of the plot including the path. Number 1, excluding the path 36 meter. Length and breadth of the plot excluding the path is the 36 excluding initial width 36 meter and 24 meter respectively. Therefore, the length and breadth of the plot excluding, sorry, because excluding is including the path be 36 plus 4, that is 40 meter, and 24 plus 4, that is 28 meter respectively. Okay. Next, area of the plot without the path. Number 2, area of the plot excluding the path. That is, length into breadth, area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth. So 36 into 24 square meter. Find the value. We get the answer. 36 into 24. Next, the area of the plot without path. This is excluding the path or without path. And area of the path. Finally, we have to find out also the area of the path also. Number 3, area of the path. That is equals to area of the plot including the path minus area of the plot excluding without path or excluding the path. So area including the path is nothing but, again it forms another rectangle of length 40 and breadth 28 meter. So 40 into 28 square meter minus 3 as 1, 36 into 24. 36 into 24 square meter. After simplifying, we get the result. Try yourself. Just multiplying and subtracting, we get the result. This is the procedure. After calculation, we get the answer. Calculate yourself. It is very easy. So calculate yourself. Okay. Multiply 40 into 28, 36 into 24. Multiplying these two, we get the answer. Clear? So next we start question number 6 of your book, page number 206 and chapter 17, same chapter obviously. Question number 6 is given, Mihir's family has a square plot of land 20 meter, a path 1 meter wide runs all around from outside. Let's find the area of the path. I repeat, this is question number 6. Mary's family has a square plot of land 20 meter, a path 1 meter wide runs all around it from outside. Let's find the area of the path. This is the question number 6. Now, answer of question number 6 here. First, draw the figure. Now it's okay. Length of each side of the plot is 20 meters. Suppose ABCD is the plot of Mary's family. ABCD is the plot. Now, all around it a path of how much? 1 meter wide. So this length is 1 meter, this length is 1 meter, say this length is 1 meter and this length is 1 meter. All around 1 meter around the width of the path is 1 meter on each side of the square plot. So ABCD is a square plot. So each side of ABCD is how much? Length of each side of the plot is 20 meter. It is given in your problem. And width of the path is 1 meter. So if exceed 1 meter and this side also exceed 1 meter. So AB is 20. So length of this portion, this is 1 meter and this is also 1 meter. So total is how much? If from this to that point. Suppose this is E and F. So E and F is how much? Obviously length of width of the path is 1 meter given, length of each side of the plot including the path 1 plus 1 2, that is 20 plus 2, that is 22 meter. Now we have to find out the area of the path, that means area of this portion, area of the path. If we set this the path, if we set the path, then we get in this way, this is the path. So obviously the area of the total portion EFGH, say area of the EFGH total minus area of ABCD, then we get the area of this portion. It's very easy to understood. Area of EFGH minus area of ABCD, then we get the area of this path. So area of the path is nothing but area of the path, area of the plot including the path minus area of the plot excluding the path. So area of the path, this is 20 plus 2, 22 meters, 22 square, and area of this portion is 20 square, since we know that the area of a square is side square or side into side. So 22 square minus 20 square, you find 22 into 22 minus 20 into 20, that means 400. Then we get the answer. But for easy to calculate, if you already know the formula of a square minus b square, so that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. If we use this formula, then it is easy to calculate. So in this case I use this formula, a plus b, a is 22, b is 20, and b is again a plus b and a minus b. So 22 plus 20, that is 48, and 22 minus 20 is 2. 42 into 2, that is 84. So area of the path, write down the answer in last. Area of the path, do it yourself. Area of the path is 84 square meter. 84 square meter. Okay, is it clear? Now very easy question. First find the area including the path, next find the area excluding the path. So we get the result. Including the path and excluding the path, subtract this, we get the result. Is it clear? Next, question number 7. Area of a square piece of land is 6400 square meter, that means 6400 square meter. Let's find the cost of fencing all around the land at the rate of 3.50 per meter. That means this square land is given. First find the side and then find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is formula is 4a, and then find the cost. It is for your classwork. After watching the video, you must do it and send it to me by my WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is rest for your classwork now. So we start question number 8. After watching the video, you may send this problem. Next. So we start question number 8. Question number 8 is length of Karim's uncle plot of land is twice its breadth and its area is 578 square meter. Let us find the length, breadth and perimeter of Karim uncle's land. The length, I repeat once again, the length of Karim uncle's plot of land is twice its breadth and its area is 578 square meter. Find the length, breadth and perimeter of Karim uncle's land. Okay. So plot is length is twice of its breadth. First you use algebra, obviously algebra in your syllabus, no problem at all in class 7. So first we let the breadth of the Karim uncle's plot is x meter. Let the breadth of Karim uncle's plot is x meter. Therefore it is given that length is twice of its breadth. So obviously if length is 2 meter, breadth is 2 meter, then length will be 2 into 2, that is 4. If breadth is 4 meter, then length will be 4 into 2, that is 8. Now the breadth, we say breadth is x, so length is 2x meter, as like previous one. So area of rectangular plot, it is known to all of us now, length into breadth. So length is 2x, breadth is x, so 2x square meter. Now by the problem the area is given 578 square meter. So by the problem area by our calculation is 2x square and it is given 578. So 2x square is equal to 578, or dividing both sides by 2, we get x square. 2 by 2 is 1 and 578 by 2 we get 289. Therefore x is equal to square root of 289, that is 17. Square root we are already done in the previous class. Square root of fraction and square root of number, square root of decimal number already known to all of you. We take positive sign only. If we take for square root, then we get for plus minus 17. But length or breadth, length of rectangle or breadth of rectangle is must be positive. So we take positive sign only. So we take positive only. Okay. What is the reason? Since it is length. Therefore breadth of the plot is 17 meter. Therefore length is 34 meter. Now the question is find the perimeter of the corimancles. So perimeter of a square rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice of length plus breadth. Twice of length plus breadth. So here length is 34 and breadth is 17. So twice of this is nothing but 2 into 17 plus 34, length plus breadth, 34 plus 17, that is 51. 51 into 2, 102 meter. Therefore perimeter of the rectangle is 120 meter. Write down the answer at the end. The perimeter of the corimancle's land is how much? 102 meter. Now it is clear. Okay. Next we start question number 11. Next we start question number 11. Here is the figure is given. As seen in the figure, of 5 meter wide path. Width of the path is given 5 meter. Dividing a rectangular garden. Okay. Dividing a rectangular garden into 4 equal parts. The length and breadth of rectangular garden is 60 meter and 40 meter. Length and breadth of the rectangular garden is 60 meter and 40 meter respectively. Let us calculate the cost of paving the path at the rate rupees 80 per square meter. Also find the area of each land. That means we have to find out the cost of paving the path, this path. Okay. So here is the solution. Now it's okay. Okay. So we draw the figure in your copy. Suppose this is 60 meter length, this is 40 meter and 5 meter wide path. We have to find out the area of this path. Obviously all are equal, say. Now length and breadth of the plot is 60 meter and 40 meter respectively. Therefore length of this path is 40 meter and length of this path is portion this. So in figure is 60 meter. Since the length of this is 60, so this is also 60. And length of this path from vertical, since this is 40 meter, this is 40 meter. So length of the total path, if we find the length of total path, is area of the portion, this portion, that means this is wide of this, that means breadth of the path is 5 meter. So 5 into 60, and area of this portion, if we draw in dotted, line, in dotted portion, then area of this path is, this is length is 40 and this is 5, so 40 into 5. But we see that this portion come twice when we take in this way. So this portion double mark, one is shadow, another is dotted. So this portion, this is a square shape of this is also 5 meter, this is also 5 meter. This portion comes twice. Clearly mind it. If we had find the area of this portion, if we take 60 into 5 and 40 into 5, so this portion come twice, so we subtract 1 times. It is a square of 5 meter, each side is 5 meters, it's come twice, so we subtract 1 times. So 60 into 5 plus 40 into 5 minus 5 into 5. Since this portion comes twice, so we subtract it. So that is equals to 5 into 60, that is 300, 4 into 40, 200, minus 5, 25. So 475 square meter. This is the area of the path. Now it is given that the cost of paving at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. So we have to paving 80 square, 8 rupees 80 paving, the area is 475. So 80 into 475, that is rupees 38,000. After multiplying we get the answer 38,000. Okay, this is the cost of paving the path. Now we have second part of the question is find the area of each square plot. Find the area of each square plot also. So now the area of the plot excluding the path, that means area of the total portion minus area of this foreland, total area minus area of the path. Total area, it is rectangle, so since it is rectangle, so total area is 60 into 40, clear, 60 into 40 square meter, minus area of the path is 475 square meter. Area of the path is 475 square meter. So if we subtract this, 40 into 60, 2400 minus 475 square meter, that is 1925 square meter. So this is the area of 4 plot. Therefore each area of each plot are equal. So area of each plot, area of 4 plot is 1925. So area of each plot is 1925 divided by 4. Then we get the answer, and that will be 481.25 square meter. So area of each plot is given by 481.25 square meter. Now it is clear to all of you now. Okay, just keep it in your mind. If you find the path another way also, there may be another way to find the area of the path. If you take in this way, you must remember we have to subtract this portion, since this portion come twice. So we have to subtract this next 60 into 5 plus 40 into 5 minus 5 into 5. Keep it in your mind always. It is. Okay. Next we start question number 12. So read out the question first. Question number 12. The path that leads to our house of 2 meter wide, it divides our garden into 2 equal squares as shown in the figure. The path is constructed rupees 8,000 at the rate of rupees 500 per square meter. Let us calculate the area of each square portion of the garden. If the breadth of the whole plot of the rectangular land on which the house is built is 4 meter. Let us calculate the area occupied by house itself. This is the house, this is the road, and this is 2 square part land. Okay. So draw this figure again in your copy. This is the house, this is the square part of land, this is the road, and this is square part, another square part of the land. This length is road constructed 2 meter wide. This is 2 meter. Now let us take width of the road is 2 meter given, and length of this portion, length of the total road is x meter. Suppose this length is x meter, this length is x meter. So this is a road, is a rectangular field. So area of this is 2 meter and this is x meter. So 2x meter area is 2x square meter. Now cost of construction of this square meter at the rate of 500. So by the problem, area is 2x multiplied by 500, that is given. Total cost of construction is 8,000. It is given. Cost of construction is 8,000. It is given in your question. So 2x into 500 at the rate of 500. By the problem we can write this one is equal to 8,000. So after simplifying, just x is equal to how much? X is equal to 8,000 by 500 into 2. Cancel 0 cancel out. After calculation we get x is equal to 8. Length of path So if x is equal to 8, so we take which one is x? This is x. This is also this is 8. We get this is 8, and this is nothing but is the side of the square plot. Side of the square plot. So this is 8. This is squared shape. So this is also 8, and this is 8. This is another square plot, and the same side. So this is also 8. So this portion is 8. This portion is 8. This is 8. This is 8. Clear? Now the area of each square plot. Now area of a square is given by side square. So side is 8 meter. This is length of path of each side is equal to square part. Each side of the square part is 8 meter. So area of this is 64 square meter. 8 into 8, that is 64. Okay. Now breadth of the rectangular plot on which the house is built is 4 meter. Now the breadth of the rectangular land on which the house is built is 4 meter. Is given 4 meter. That means which one is 4 meter? This is 4 meter given width. This is 4 meter. This length is 4 meter given. And this length is how much? Now this is 8 meter. This is 8 meter. 8 plus 8, 16. 16, and width of the road is 2. 16 plus 2, how much? 18. And width of the house, it is given. Width of the house is given by 4 meter. This is 4 meter. This is 4 meter, and this one is 8 plus 8 plus 2. That means 18. So area of the house, this one, and the length of the plot 2 into side of the square part plus width of the road. So 2 into 8, 16 plus 2, 18 meter. So area of the house built, that means the area of the portion where built, building area, is rectangle length into breadth, that is 18 into 4 square meter, that is 72 square meter. Now write down the answer here also, another answer. It is do it yourself. And next, after this, I have already given one problem, that is 7. Now you try another problem, that is problem number 13. That is problem number 13. Try it yourself and send it to me. Okay, within time. The cost of cultivation of 30 meter long pieces of land, this. Okay, it is in your book. Breadth of the land is 5 meter less. Cost will be less 120. Let's calculate the breadth of the land. Try yourself and send it to me. That's okay. That's all for today. Okay, thank you. See it again. In this portion also, in total things you may see in one page, most probably. Okay, that's all for today.